Hello everyone, today we're taking a deep dive into a game changer for pain management, the Ovon 3-in-1 TENS unit. This isn't just a simple massager, it's a medical grade device designed for professional level relief at home. What makes it special is its 3-in-1 functionality, combining TENS, EMS, and traditional massage therapy in one sleek unit. TENS technology works by sending small electrical pulses to block pain signals before they even reach your brain. It's incredibly effective for treating sciatica, chronic back pain, and shoulder tension without medication. Then there's EMS, which stands for electronic muscle stimulation. This mode helps strengthen muscles and speed up recovery. And when you just need to unwind, the massage mode offers deep relaxation for tired muscles after a long day. You have a massive library of 24 pre-programmed modes to choose from, tailored to different body parts and sensations. With 40 levels of intensity, you can start very gently and ramp up to a powerful stimulation that hits exactly the right spot. The independent dual channels allow you to treat two different areas at once with different intensity settings. It comes with 12 high-quality reusable pads that use industry-leading adhesive for a secure, comfortable fit every time. It's fully rechargeable, and a single charge can last for weeks of regular use, making it perfect for travel. The large backlit screen makes it easy to navigate even in low light, which is great if you're using it before bed. Whether you're an athlete, an office worker with neck strain, or dealing with age-related aches, this device fits your lifestyle. Ovon is a trusted brand in health tech, so you can feel confident in the safety and quality of this pulse massager. Now, for the best part, it's currently on a limited time deal at 28% off on Amazon. That brings the price down to just $25.98. That is incredible value for this level of tech. Don't miss out on this deal. Check out the Ovon TENS unit today and start living pain-free. Thanks for watching.